Hi guys, welcome to the vocab PopUp4. This is Vidisha Vitlani and I welcome you to the Aussies group. Okay, now today's words are going to be very simple. They're related to each other. So the first word is explicit. Okay, now what does the word explicit mean? Explicit means something that is clearly stated, something that is clearly mentioned. Like for example, the examples from my words are explicitly stated. Right. The second is implicit. Implicit is the opposite of explicit. So if explicit means something that is clearly expressed, implicit means something that is not clearly expressed, something that is implied, something that has to be understood. Please don't make implicit comments. Tell me directly what you want to, right? Okay, now the third one is we often use the word he's a fresher, he's a beginner. So rather than that, you can use the word novice, Novice. Okay, so the three words for the day are explicit, implicit, and novice. Explicit means something that is clearly stated, implicit is the opposite of explicit, and the third is the word novice. Novice means a fresher, novice means a beginner. Alright, I hope you work hard. I hope you get all the lovely scores that you want, and thank you so much.